Well, the weather department's keeping busy this week.
Sure.
Watching Debbie, and I can see the lights on the map there.
May I explain?
Please.
Okay, first the dark green, that's the flood watch in effect until Wednesday evening. The light green, that's a flood warning, and the orange, that's a tropical storm warning that continues for the Florida Gulf Coast. All of that because of Debbie. And we watched some of Debbie's rain showers now working their way up the islands. In fact, take a closer look. That's past Tybee already, past Wilmington, but now Hilton Head's starting to get some of the shower activity as it's raining itself out. May not make it across the Broad River up to Beaufort, but we'll watch it closely. Another little area of shower activity headed toward Hardeeville. That's it all across our region. That's not it, though, for what's down here. Look at Valdosta getting soaked. Jacksonville, it's just south of Brunswick. Tallahassee, they're moving in, kids, for summer session coming up for the next summer session. That's tomorrow. Take a look at this. We did have a tornado near Melbourne today, just one, two reported yesterday. Look at all the flood warnings and hail from a system that was pushing across the northeast coast into the Carolina coast. All of that is moving off to the east, and a new area of convection exploded as we went through the evening. These are the cold cloud tops, the heaviest rain, and this is actually north and northeast of the center of Debbie, but it's pushing to the east, and that's what's bringing the showers across basically the I-10 corridor. Here's Debbie's 11 o'clock position, 45-mile-an-hour wind, a slight movement to the northeast at 35 miles south of Apalachicola, Florida. And here's the movement expected Tuesday, Wednesday. This is Thursday afternoon. Debbie's inland as a tropical low. Yep. She will move very slowly across into Florida by this position Thursday. Friday, she's back out into the Atlantic by 8 o'clock in the evening as a tropical storm again. And proceeding off to the northeast past Savannah, not a worry for us at all. Boy, isn't that good news? And if you want to ignore the rest of all the computer projections, that's probably a good idea. Though we start to see a consensus here for that trip across Florida coming up later in the week. And here's the reason why. This front is going to be the steering mechanism that pushes down far enough to wedge Debbie across Florida into this position by the time we get into Thursday and Friday. That's how that's all going to play. And look at the rainfall that might be expected from Debbie. This looks a little aggressive to me. I don't know that we're going to get 6 inches of rain, but I'll bet we see some heavy rainfall briefly again for tomorrow. Tide high at 1:15 in the evening, low tide first thing in the morning. We're at the first quarter moon phase. Don't worry, you can't see it. Too many clouds out there, but small craft advisory for tomorrow. Be aware of that with our south winds gusting up to 20. Tonight, 40% chance of scattered showers, mainly coastal areas, 43 for a low. Tomorrow, 40% chance of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, 87. Northeast breeze, look at that heat index will be high too. From the 87, 88 Wednesday, and that should be it for us. Just a 20% chance of showers from Debbie, 91 Thursday, dry Friday. Saturday we get into the afternoon showers and thunderstorms. We also get into the mid-90s for afternoon highs. So a muggy 73 for tonight. And looking ahead to the weekend, that chance of late-day showers and thunderstorms shouldn't delay any activities, hopefully especially the Ridgeland fireworks at the Boat and RV Amphitheater. Whatever you've got planned right into the first part of the holiday period, follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
And keep an eye on Debbie. Sort out the spaghetti for us.
Close. Isn't that fun? All those lines going
Comb it. Thanks a lot, John. Sure. Well, we show you a lot of police chases, but they don't